Hi everyone, that's DidyToys channel and the second part of Plush Lion tutorial. If you want to have a written pattern, it's available on Etsy. Use additional yarn for muzzle, make 2 chain stitches and then crochet 6 single crochet stitches into the second stitch from the hook. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. The first round is ready. Now make 6 increases. It means you need to crochet 2 single crochet stitches in each stitch around. You should get 12 stitches in total. The second increase, the third one, increase number 4, 1, 2, 2, the fifth one, 1, 2, and the last increase for the round, 1, 2. You should get 12 stitches in total, and that's enough. Now we're going to crochet a single crochet stitch in each stitch around. 12 stitches in total again. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and 12. The muzzle is ready. Cut the thread and pull it through the loop. Don't forget to leave a tail for sewing. Sew the muzzle to the head. After sewing, fasten the thread and weave in the yarn tail. We are going to sculpt the muzzle next. Use a strong thread and a long needle. Tie a knot to fasten and then weave in the yarn tails. I use plastic eyes, but these are not safety ones. They don't have a washer to secure. I'll just glue them. I also decided to decorate them with some ready-made white circles. You may cut them out by yourself or not use them at all. I use a transparent glue to glue the eyes. Same for the second eye. The eyes are ready and we are going to embroider the nose next. I use thin Italian velour for that, brown color. You may use some other yarn. a line dividing the muzzle. Tie a knot to fasten and weave in the yarn tails. Let's crochet the ears, insert the hook and make a chain stitch. One more chain stitch, then crochet 4 half double crochet stitches into the same stitch. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Now cut the thread, pull it through the loop, insert the thread into the needle, and sew the ear to the head. The first ear is ready. Let's make the second one. Two chain stitches, 4 half double crochet stitches into the same stitch. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Cut the thread, pull it through the loop. Sew the second ear to the head. Now weave in all the yarn tails. The toy is almost ready. We are going to crochet the mane next. We need to crochet loop stitch instead of single crochet stitches. Start by 2 chain stitches, then crochet 6 loop stitch into the second stitch from the hook. You need to leave a loop before each single crochet stitch. 2, 3, 4, 5, and the last one. 6. The first round is ready and we are going to continue crocheting loop stitch. Now make 6 increases of loop stitch. That means you crochet 2 loop stitch in each stitch around. You should get 12 stitches in total. Now crochet a loop stitch followed by an increase of loop stitch 6 times for the round 3. You should get 18 stitches in total. 2 loop stitches followed by an increase of loop stitches 6 times, 24 stitches in total. We need to make 6 increases again, which means you crochet 3 loop stitch followed by an increase of loop stitch 6 times. And the last round, 4 loop stitch followed by an increase of loop stitches. Two, 3, 4, and an increase. The mane is ready. Cut the thread, leaving a tail for sewing. Pull it through the loop. Sew the mane to the head. Fasten the thread, weave in the yarn tails. The lining is almost ready. We need to crochet the tail. First find the middle of the bag, insert the hook and pull a loop. Make a chain stitch, then insert the hook again and pull one more loop. After that, crochet into the loops one by one till you get a proper length. Pull the thread through both loops. Change the color, and now we need to crochet 4 loop stitch. 1, 2 into the same stitch, 3 and 4. Cut the thread, fasten, weave in all the yarn tails. The lion is ready. Hope you've enjoyed crocheting it. Thanks for watching, and thank you so much for your likes and comments. Don't forget to subscribe. See you!